Freycinet Walking Tour is based on the east coast of Tasmania. The goal of Freycinet Walking Tour was to create a small, intimate group experience, a half-day walk that allowed guests to immerse themselves. It's a must-see in Tasmania. I'd say it's a must-see on a world stage as well. We start and finish the walk at Freycinet Lodge. Bit of an incline heading up, and we'll get to the Wineglass Bay lookout where you'll get those stunning postcard views. From there, we'll take our time, head down to Wineglass Bay Beach. It's a small walk from there across the Isthmus track, and we'll pop up on the southern end of Hazards Beach and have a nice little picnic lunch. We'll grab the aqua taxi and head back to the lodge, and may even see some seals and other marine life along the way. Getting to see this place on an intimate level, on a guided level, it's a place like no other. And we can't wait to have you along and show you some of the amazing scenery that we have to offer here.